Friends, today we go to the garden again.
I am very hungry. I want big carrots.
Please be careful. Last time was scary.
Stay close to me. The garden is not far.
I can already think about sweet carrots.
I hear birds. I hope no one sees us. We are inside now. Walk slowly and stay low.
Wow, the carrots are even bigger today.
Please hurry, but do not make noise.
These carrots are big and strong. I like them.
Take only a few. We should leave soon.
I hear something again. Please hurry. That is enough. Run fast to our home.
I am running, but I will not drop my carrots.
My heart is beating fast. Let us go home now.
Again. My carrots are gone. This is not an accident. Today, I will stay here and watch. I will put this here very carefully. They will come again today. I must stay calm and patient.
We are here again. Be more careful today.
I hope the carrots are still there.
I do not like this feeling. Something is different.
Ouch! The rope caught my foot. I cannot step.
Stay still. I will loosen it now.
Be careful. Do not run. Stay quiet. Ouch!
The rope caught my foot. I cannot step.
Stay still. I will loosen it now.
Be careful. Do not run. Stay quiet. Hey, stop. Do not move. I do not want to hurt you.
We are scared. Please help me.
Stay calm. I am helping you.
My foot feels better now. Thank you. You are kind.
This garden is my home and my work. You must not take food without asking.
We understand. We are sorry.
I forgive you. Please remember the rules.
Thank you. We will not do this again.
We will ask next time.